In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blend a no drip edge into a Cove backsplash. We're going to need a 1/2 inch burr bit, 1/4 inch burr bit, electric drill. Let's get started. As you can see here, the 1/2 inch burr bit works great for blending all this in on the inside here, where the no drip kind of meets the Cove. And then the 1/4 inch burr bit, you need it for right here as the no drip blends in up onto the Cove insert. You need that little bit because this won't fit in there. It's had a tough time fitting in there. Otherwise you end up with a glue line right here. So use that 1/4 inch burr bit and you just blend it right up on there. Makes it nice and smooth. It's all contoured. And that's how you blend a no drip edge into a Cove backsplash. Hope this video helps. See you next time. Thanks for watching.